want to thank Marc for letting me use his guitar because I busted my G string. Well, the more capable I become, well, that's the less willing I am. So that suffering over and over again. But that'll make a body able. Suffering over and over again. It's gonna make a body wise. It's like suffering over and over again. Well, it's gonna make but without you ain't no living, now baby, won't you please come home? Trying to make a buck, I got no love, I got no luck, and now baby, won't you please come home? Sitting all alone by the telephone, honey, won't you have it at home? I'm the one that can love you, can put myself above you, now baby, won't you please come home? Baby, won't you please come home? Baby, won't you please come home? Around here like a puck and meet up. Come on, get home so that I can feed you, my honey. Won't you please come home? Well, when you return, I'll be there to greet you now, baby. I'm right here at home. I'm the one that can help you, the one that can teach you. Baby, please come home. Baby, won't you please come home? Baby, won't you please come home? Keaveny, everybody.